Good morning, all. English fraternity of Rajana Sirsila, and it's my pleasure to invite the general who dabbled in many activities related to English language across the state. And today he is going to give us an excellent class on how best we are going to use the teaching learning material or board, it seems Padlet. Now I request, I'm delighted to invite Mr. Parabrahma Murthy Garu, Nodal Officer of Rajana Sirsilla, who has been kind enough to extend his full cooperation in all such activities being conducted by Bharati Foundation, especially towards ameliorating the efficiency of ELTA Rajana Sirsilla. Thank you, sir. Now, I request our beloved friend Vinedar Raju Garu to start his valuable speech. Thank you.
Yeah, and before that, sir, I request Raju sir to give a brief introduction about Vinedar Raju sir.
Sure,
Please, sir.
Sir, good morning, all of you. On behalf of ELTA Rajana Sirsilla, we are very happy to have Vinedar Raj sir with us. He's working as a SA English at ZPHS Janganpalli, and as we all know that he was Fulbright Teaching Excellent Achievement Fellow and who visited USA and visited the schools and universities over there and participated in participatory research by Jason Anderson sir on effective teaching English in India, and he was the mentor for British Council's ARMS project. So just to name a few, and he completed various courses, online moot courses, and studied at different universities, not only in India, but even in abroad. So the erstwhile Karimnagar district, very privileged and honored to have him in our district, and we are very happy and very much delighted, especially Rajana Sirsilla district ELTA members, to invite him. So he is, as we all know that he is good at using technology, and we hope that he will make all the teachers of ELTA Rajana Sirsilla and Telangana teachers to be like him. And especially I have a close bond with him. I treat him as mentor for me in this district. So on behalf of ELTA Rajana Sirsilla, I personally welcome Vinedar Raj sir to our Zoom session. Thank you.
Thank you, Raju and the Ramesh Kannam, and particularly the ELTA Rajanna Sirsilla Jilla. So you are the first district ELTA body started your own webinars, and I congratulate for taking an initiation, and you are going to become an inspiration to all the ELTA other districts also. Good morning, everyone. And today our topic is the Padlet. So the Padlet is just like an online a collaborative wall. So just like our school notice boards. So we can put everything there so that everyone can visit and they can read and even they can ask questions and they can comment on that. So the Padlet is also like that. So if you are using mobile phone and go to your Play Store and type the Padlet there, so then you will get a Padlet like this. This is the symbol for the Padlet. Did you find my screen?
Yes.
So after getting that, you need to log in. So after login, you will get a screen like this. So these are the different Padlet that we made it. So if you want to make a Padlet of your own, you have to So this is the screen like that, because I have already created account in that and I signed into that. So this is my Padlet account. So to create your own Padlet, you have to click on this Make Padlet. So these are the different themes available. So depending upon your interest and your class interest, you can select anything. You can explore these things, how the each theme is different from one. So I am selecting this one. That's the first one. So after selecting the theme, you will get the like this. So this is the title of your Padlet. So remove the text. So this is for ELTA Rajanna district. So there are settings. So you can write here the description, means about your district and other things like that. So this is next option is the icon. If you want, you can change this icon or keep it as it is like this. Okay, you can use this. Any symbol you can use. So otherwise you can go and add your own also. Suppose you want to upload your own emblem, you can use it that also. Okay. So after selecting, this is the important URL. We call it as a link. Suppose after creating this Padlet for your students, you want to share the link with your students. So you can keep it as it is, or you can customize this. So you can change this one into ELTA like this. So your link will be Padlet dot. So here my name. So if you log in, your name will come there and / by an ELTA. So this is the URL that I created. Then move on to the next, appearance. So there are different colors available: solid color, garden, texture, pictures, anything you can use it. If you want, you keep it as it is. Next, come back to the font size. So this is different font size available in that. So it is attribution. So if you select this, if somebody visited your Padlet and they made a comment, so you can find their name also if they are already logged in. Otherwise, it is posted like an anonymous. So this is new post at the top or the new post at the last. These are the two options available. And enable this one as a comments, so that the visitors may write a comment on your post. So this is reactions. So if they like your post, they will vote, they will thumb up. So enable this. So suppose for security reasons, if you are not keeping any password for your Padlet, so enable this one, require approval. Means if somebody visited your wall and made a comment, so the notification comes to you as a host, you can approve that. Then only the comment will appear on the screen. So after selecting all these things and click the next button. So now start posting. So this is your wall now. Suppose you want to post a video for your students. So here is the title for that. So now these are the different options. One is you can upload from your computer. Second one, you can paste the link. Third one, you can browse internet. You can upload photo. So these are different options available. Snap, film, you can record a voice and you can post your voice also there. Screen, draw, place, and Padlet like that. So like this, you can upload different varieties of content here onto the online. Suppose I want to take a picture now. I'm selecting a picture. YouTube link also. You can post the YouTube link. Suppose go to YouTube. So this is our ELTA YouTube channel. So this is our webinars list. So I'm taking one webinar, Narendra Sir's webinar. So you click share, you will get a link here. This is copy link and come back to our Padlet. So paste the link here. No, I'm recording already. Sampath, Ravi. So the video will appear here in the Padlet. So this is how. So if you don't want, you can delete it by clicking on this. So this is. Please mute Sampath and others. So look at, these are the different. So this is the Padlet created for the class 10 students.
Morning, sir. Welcome. Good morning, Narendra Reddy. Good morning,
Sir, TV Rao sir, Venkateshwar Rao sir, please.
I request others to mute their audio. That it will be easy for us, and also mute your video also.
Pranit, mute everyone.
Please, all of you mute.
Vinay Raju, sir.
Hello.
There is a background video going on. Sir, there is a background video going on. If you can close that, then the noise will stop.
Which one? Which video is going on?
You have pasted a URL of YouTube, no? I think that is playing in the background. That is what we are listening now, sir. ELTA, yeah.
Is it okay now? It's
Maybe
fine.
Narendra sir's video, sir.
Yes, yes.
No, just I pasted
now
a
it is
link,
okay.
not Narendra Reddy sir. Like that, any video you can get and you can paste it like that. So we can delete if it is not required, like this. So I am showing a model how a video can be pasted on the Padlet wall. Okay. So this is the Padlet already created for the class 10 students. So here is these are all the different videos prepared by our Harnath sir. So the students will visit this and they can play this video and they can watch it. And after that, they can write their answers and they can comment on that. So everything is possible. So it's a classroom. It's an online class for the class 10 students. They can watch.
Hi everyone. Welcome to my channel.
Yeah, this is how the videos are played even on Padlet itself. No need to visit and go back to that. And even you can ask the students to respond. Suppose here is the comment box. So they made a template. Great job. Great. So like that, it's an online interaction will continue. So you can create your own Padlet and paste all the resources on them and share the link with your students so that they can visit. So only teacher should need a email and create account, login and other things. But the students directly, they can visit the link and they can use this plus symbol to drag the files. Otherwise, they can use this comment place to write their reflections about that video. You can pose the questions also like that. Here I pose the questions, no? So complete you given assignments on the paper and upload the Padlet on the Padlet. Dear students, hope you are safe. Here is an assignment for you. Include the following: title, cause and effect, prevention measures, responsibilities, statistics, suggestions. Like this, you can give a scaffolding or input questions also. After watching this video, they will respond to the questions posted by the teachers. So how to share this? Here it is the button. Use this. If you click that, you will get a link. So copy the link to the clipboard. So now you can go to any browser. So you paste the link here. Click enter. So it will be open. So students can access this one like this. So share the link with your students. So students will come and visit this and they will watch videos and they will observe the questions and they will respond. And even they can interact with other students also. If some student already made a comment, so they can watch their comment and they can provoke them again. So what made you to think so like that? So do you really like that video? And what is the interesting part of that video like that? So this is how we can use the Padlet for our collaborative learning. So even you can set the password also. Suppose you think that it is not secure to keep that open, you can make it a password also. So let us go to Rajanna Sirsilla. So this is for settings, for modifications. There is a password option for us. Okay. I didn't find that password option, but there is a password option also, but at present I am not getting that. So these are different options. Suppose you can invite the people to collaborate with you. You can share embedded. Embedding means suppose you are having a block, you can keep entire wall on the block so that it is visible to everyone. You can export. After working on that, you want to save the student work and your work as an e-portfolio, you can click that so that you can save that as a PDF. You can save as an image, you can save as a PDF, you can save as an Excel sheet like that. Even you can share this in the Facebook and email, and you can with the Google Classroom also. These are the different sharing options available to them. So this is how the Padlet works. You can like the Padlet by clicking this symbol. Thank you. If you have any doubts, you can raise your hand or you can unmute yourself and you can ask questions. Hello?
Sir, Vinay sir,
Yeah.
can anyone access your Padlet?
Yeah, if I share the link, you can access.
Okay.
I will
how
share
to
you.
share the-
I will share you that also, no problem. In the chat box, I can share that.
Hello.
Suppose I create a Padlet.
Yeah,
Then I have to share it to my students first.
yeah.
How?
So I just show you the getting the link. Just like this. Here it is the share button. Did you find this?
Yeah,
So
yeah,
this is
yeah.
the Rajanna Silsila's Padlet I created now, no?
Yeah,
So if
yeah.
you click that, you will get a copy link
Yeah,
to the, here it is. So go to WhatsApp group
Yes.
and paste that link. So the students will
Yes,
click
yes.
that link and they will come to this wall.
Yeah. So
So this is the option for the students also to post, to comment. They can do that.
okay. So through the link, anybody can reach your
Anybody can
Padlet.
access this Padlet. If you want to keep it private, you can enable password. Otherwise, there is an option, no, like this.
Yeah, yeah. Yes.
So
Okay.
require approval. If somebody
Thank you.
posted, but it is not visible to everyone, you will get a notification as a creator of this Padlet wall. So then after checking that post, you can give approval. Then only the post will appear on the wall. So it's a security reason because some unknown person may visit and posted unknown content on your notes. To avoid that, you better enable this one, require approval. So after
So
post, huh? Hello?
unknown persons can visit our site.
You can avoid that also, but there is a password option, but at present I am not getting that. Definitely it is there in that, so that only the person who knows the password can only access your Padlet.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you, sir. I got it.
Yeah.
Hello, sir.
Hello sir,
Good morning, sir.
good morning.
Sir, I created one Padlet, okay?
Okay.
In that Padlet, can I share only the particular content or I can share the entire Padlet?
You can share entire Padlet, so the complete
Entire
wall
Padlet.
is shared with them. So
Okay.
they will visit. Suppose you posted a video there, unit 1, class
Yeah.
10. So followed by their questions
Okay.
also. The students will visit and watch the
Okay.
video and they will answer the questions on the Padlet wall.
Yes. Okay. In the particular Padlet, we have so many contents are there, like videos, audios, and
Yeah.
some
So
scenes,
for
some
that
images.
reason, you have to
Sir,
select the
what?
different themes. Suppose you look at here.
Yeah.
So there are different themes. So select this
Okay.
timeline. Timeline means the first week will appear in the top, second week, then third week, and fourth
Okay.
week, like that. So
Okay.
this is better than the other one. So wall is complete like that. You can post everything. So canvas is like connecting, stream, grid. So these are the different
Okay.
themes available. You start exploring and take the theme whichever suitable for you. Okay.
Okay. We can only share the particular content of the Padlet.
No,
I want to
you
share
share the entire
only
Padlet.
particular video.
Particular video,
Entire
if
Padlet we
you
have to share.
no,
The
no, no,
link
you
will
have
be
to share the
generated for
entire
all.
wall. Entire wall. Suppose you want
Entire
to
wall
share
we have
only
to share.
video, what is the need of Padlet? You go to
Yeah.
YouTube and collect the copy and paste it in the WhatsApp group. They can access the video, no? So the Padlet is like that, interactive. So your students will watch the
I
video
thought
and they will answer your
I thought
questions
it would
also.
take.
Hello?
Okay, I got it, sir. Yeah, okay, sir. I thought it would be taking more size and more memory for that. That's why I asked like that.
Okay, okay. Right. Anything?
Yes,
So
sir.
only thing is that
Sir, good morning, sir.
good morning.
Sir, are there any features for Padlet, sir? Is there any extra features for Padlet, sir, compared to other blogs and or any?
Generally, so just tell me what kind of future do you want?
Yeah, other than this, we are uploading video now, and
You
the
can
students
upload
are able to
video, you
use
can
the
upload
particular
PDFs,
video
you
at
can
a time.
upload images, you can
Yeah,
upload
okay.
links, you can share any kind of content. I
Okay.
just show you the how to
Yes, sir.
insert video, but you can upload the textbook also, PDF.
Yeah. Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. 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 Thank you, sir.
Hello, sir. Pranit
Hello.
here.
Hello.
Sir, if I may say, a Padlet is, yeah, hello, sir. Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Hello.
Hello.
Yes, sir. So if I'm understanding like this, a Padlet is a one place where we can have the entire lesson to be taught by using a image, a video, a little content. It's a one-time preparation that helps teachers work very less burden and can be used for many other years also, which with additions and deletions. Is that correct, sir? The usage of Padlet.
Yeah, you can post all the content. Even students can also, suppose, prepare a poster after watching the one lesson. So they can take a photograph of that picture and they can upload to the Padlet. So the teacher can visit and he can appreciate his work. So it's a both way. Teacher can share and even students can also share his work on the Padlet.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Yeah, got it.
Vinay sir.
Sir.
Sir, can I term this Padlet? It's a sort of online bulletin board or online pen board.
Yes, it is called online collaborative board. Online wall for your class. Like just now, initially I told you it's like a notice board. Your notice board. Now you can put everything. Students can also paste everything. Students comment. Student can read. Right, like that. It is your online class board. Everybody visit and everybody can see and everybody can comment. Everybody can post.
Okay, sir. I got it, sir. I got it. Your point. It's very useful in our teaching learning process. Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Vinay sir.
Sir.
Vinay sir.
Sir.
Please,
hello?
Please talk about. Please talk about on Padlet streaming.
Padlet?
Streaming option.
Streaming means you want to show
I
it
have
live?
just seen that wall. Yeah, you were showing that so many options there. I just saw it for the first time.
Okay.
Is it like online streaming, the same we see on the Facebook like?
No, online streaming is only the video that goes, no, particular time. But
then what is this stream in Padlet?
So it is not streaming. It is asynchronous, means whenever your students are convenient, they can visit, not particular time. Suppose if you want to watch the online streaming, you must be there online at particular time only. But the Padlet is not like that. Suppose you posted the video and assignment today morning and students are convenient in the evening, they can visit your Padlet and they can watch the video and they can answer your question. So it is not at a time. So whenever they are convenient, they can visit and they can do their work. But if it streaming means both must be at the same time. So suppose this is like a streaming. So you must be online and I must be online. But the Padlet is not like that.
Yes.
You can post anywhere time and the students may visit any time. Did you get my point?
Yes, at their convenience.
Yeah.
Thank you. Yeah.
Thank you, sir,
At the
for
convenience.
exploring us to technology as a pioneer, showing us a path. Sir, what are the devices required for a teacher and a student to use this Padlet? And that is my first question. And the second query is, which classroom technology or whatever the technology is easy and good for teachers, beginners like us in our context? So there are so many options are there. So as beginners, which one is better for us in our rural context? And what are the devices we required for this?
So devices means, so I know the context because most of the students, they don't have their personal devices.
Now we have mobile phones, sir. But
Hello?
the students don't have the laptop.
Yeah,
So
I know
is
that.
it
I know.
okay
So this
to
is
see
not
this Padlet
this is
together?
not possible for in the rural India. So, but thing is that the students are using smartphones and they have access to the internet. They are using WhatsApp. Do you agree with me? So most of
Yes,
them
sir.
you have already created the WhatsApp groups, no? So
Yes, sir.
it
Yes,
is
sir.
better than the WhatsApp groups. So
Yes,
WhatsApp
sir.
group is just like a one-way communication, and it is also like a two-way. But the things are well organized when compared with the WhatsApp. So if you are in a position to use the WhatsApp groups, so the Padlet is the better option than the WhatsApp. So only thing is that you have to make them to get familiarized this, how to visit that, and how to make a video and how to write the answers and how to comment on them. So another thing is that with the teachers, so the technology is not going to replace the teachers, but the technology enabled to teacher will get a good number of strategies from the technology. Suppose let us take the Padlet is not there in your classroom. You are not a tech savvy. Even you don't use a smartphone. But the philosophy behind the Padlet is that, so take your classroom wall, prepare a big chart on that, write your questions on that, ask the students to write their answers on the paper, and go and paste them on that. So this is how the Padlet philosophy can be used in your classroom without technology also. So it's a kind of a bulletin board in your classroom. Students and the teacher can interact, and that makes your students engagement. So if you ask the students to write in the notebook and you go and visit, it is difficult. And the other students may not have a possibility to visit what they are writing in their notebooks, but it is displayed on the class wall. So everybody visit and everybody will answer those questions, read, and they can write. So this is the same Padlet principle that is applicable in your classroom without technology also.
Thank you, sir, for showing multiple options. It's something like a manual Padlet in our classroom.
Ah, yeah, that's it.
Thank you.
Anything? Okay then.
All the teachers have solved their queries. Even one person has asked that might be the same query regarding other teachers also. However, sir, I would like to express my gratitude towards this presentation. Yesterday, when Raju sir told me that it's a discussion on Padlet, I was thinking that Padlet is like a tablet. I think do we discuss on a device or what? I was thinking. But however, sir, in these days we have a lot of technology available and many kinds of apps are available. The challenge is to find a suitable one and use it. So people like you definitely your research and what works and what doesn't work, you have made us to select this Padlet, which is very much practical to be used. And I thank you for your presentation, sir. And I would like to request other teachers also to give their feedback on the session. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Vinay sir, for your wonderful presentation. Very useful. Ramohan, this is. Vinay sir.
Hello.
This is Ramohan speaking.
Yeah, hello.
Sir. Thank you. Thank you very much, sir, for the wonderful presentation. Very useful Padlet. Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Somebody started screen sharing. Please stop that. Hello?
Yeah.
Somebody started sharing their screen. Please stop that. Who is this? OPPO F11. Whose screen is this? Okay.
Raju sir,
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I would request you to take the session ahead, sir. We can give quick feedback and
Hello, sir.
Would like to request Murthy sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So,
Srinivas sir, CH, would like to share his views. Yes, sir. Srinivas sir.
Yes, sir. Good morning, Vinay sir. Congratulations on the wonderful presentation. It's not new for you. It is a cakewalk for you to deal with this kind of sessions. Sir, I have a small query. Can we create mind maps or thinking map by using Padlet?
No. you can create the mind map using the mind map tool, but you can share that mind map on the
Yes.
Padlet wall.
Okay. So I heard somewhere that we can also create thinking maps or mind map by using Padlet. So we cannot use. Thank you so much, sir.
We can share it on the wall.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much.
Okay.
Murthy sir. Okay. I think sir is not available online. Sir, I think we have had all our doubts clarified, if I may think so. And I would like to proceed to the final words and the concluding session from Ramesh sir. May I welcome Ramesh sir to share his views on this. Kannam Ramesh sir. Sir, I couldn't find Ramesh sir.
So then our secretary Vidya sir can come the session.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Thank you for giving me this opportunity. Vidya sir, you have done a great job for ELTA Rajanna Sirisilla, and our heartfelt thanks to you, sir. I know Vinodar Raju sir for so many years. I can simply describe him in one sentence: a man of simple living with high thinking. So Vinodar Raju sir started experiments with technology since long time ago, and he has been encouraging other teachers through WhatsApp groups to learn technology, just like using online classes, online courses. And I think he's the first person who did who completed many online courses and stood as the best example to other teachers. And with I'm getting inspiration from him. Even I completed 1 or 2 online courses also. Anyhow, the teachers of Rajanna Sirisilla and English fraternity are fortunate enough to have such legends in technology, pioneers in technology with us. And today we have a wonderful session by Vinodar Raju sir. And this is the totally new task and new topic for me and for us all, the Padlet. So, and we can even implement this in our classrooms if it is not using technology without technology, just like offline board. So, yeah, overall, it's a great idea. So, it's an innovative idea which brought to us. Thank you, sir. Thank you, Vinodar sir, sharing your views, and we hope and in future also we will get such new ideas from you. Thank you. Thank you.
Sir, Kannam Ramesh is back. Kannam Ramesh is back. I would like to request a few words from Kannam Ramesh sir.
Sure.
Over to you, Ramesh sir.